بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
عَمَّ يتساءلون.
About what are they asking one another?
عن النبأ العظيم.
Is it about the awesome tiding?
الذي هم فيه مختلفون.
That they are in utter disagreement?
كلا سيعلمون.
No, indeed, soon will they come to know.
ثم كلا سيعلمون.
Again, no, indeed, soon will they come to know.
ألم نجعل الأرض مهادا.
Have we not spread the earth like a bed?
والجبال أوتادا.
And fixed the mountains like pegs?
وخلقناكم أزواجا.
And created you in pairs as men and women.
وجعلنا نومكم سباتا.
And made your sleep a means of repose.
وجعلنا الليل لباسا.
And made the night a covering.
وجعلنا النهار معاشا.
And made the day to seek livelihood.
وبنينا فوقكم سبعا شدادا.
And built above you 7 strong firmaments.
وجعلنا سراجا وهاجا.
And placed therein a hot, shining lamp.
وأنزلنا من المعصرات ماء ثجاجا.
And sent down abundant water from the clouds.
لنخرج به حبا ونباتا.
So that we may thereby bring forth grain and vegetation.
وجنات ألفافا.
And gardens dense with foliage.
إن يوم الفصل كان ميقاتا.
Surely the day of judgment has an appointed time.
يوم ينفخ في الصور فتأتون أفواجا.
The day when the trumpet shall be blown, and you will come forth in multitudes.
وفتحت السماء فكانت أبوابا.
And when the sky shall be opened up, and will become all doors.
وسيرت الجبال فكانت سرابا.
And the mountains will be set in motion, and become a mirage.
إن جهنم كانت مرصادا.
Surely the hell is an ambush.
للطاغين مآبا.
A resort for the rebellious.
لابثين فيها أحقابا.
Therein they shall abide for ages.
لا يذوقون فيها بردا ولا شرابا.
They shall taste in it no coolness, nor any pleasant drink.
إلا حميما وغساقا.
Save boiling water, and wash off the wounds.
جزاء وفاقا.
A befitting recompense for their deeds.
إنهم كانوا لا يرجون حسابا.
For For indeed, they did not look forward to any reckoning.
وكذبوا بآياتنا كذابا
And roundly denied our signs as false.
وكل شيء أحصيناه كتابا
And everything have we recorded in a book.
فذوقوا فلن نزيدكم إلا عذابا
So taste the fruit of your deeds. We shall only increase your torment.
إن للمتقين مفازا
Surely the state of triumph awaits the God-fearing.
حدائق وأعنابا
Gardens and vineyards
وكواعب أترابا
and youthful maidens of like age.
وكأسا دهاقا
And an overflowing cup.
لا يسمعون فيها لغوا ولا كذابا
Therein they shall hear no idle talk, nor any falsehood.
جزاء من ربك عطاء حسابا
A recompense from your Lord and an ample reward.
رب السماوات والأرض وما بينهما الرحمن لا يملكون منه خطابا
From the Lord of the heavens and the earth, and of that which is between them, the most merciful Lord, before whom none dare utter a word.
يوم يقوم الروح والملائكة صفا لا يتكلمون إلا من أذن له الرحمن وقال صوابا
The day when the Spirit and the angels are ranged row on row, none shall speak save he whom the merciful Lord will permit, and he too will speak what is right.
ذلك اليوم الحق فمن شاء اتخذ إلى ربه مآبا
That day is sure to come, so let him who will seek a resort with his Lord.
إنا أنذرناكم عذابا قريبا يوم ينظر المرء ما قدمت يداه ويقول الكافر يا ليتني كنت ترابا
Lo, we warn you of a chastisement near at hand, the day when a man will look on what his own hands have sent forth, and the unbelievers shall say, Oh, would that I were utter dust.